just made $50 in 5 minutes using this simple arbitrage trading tool, and it has been the best tool I have actually come across for arbitrage trading. So the name of this platform is called ArbitrageScanner, and I'm going to be sharing my laptop to show you how the whole thing works and how you too can actually start using ArbitrageScanner to make such gains. Now let's get started.
Okay, guys. I came across this project called Arbitrage Scanner. It was actually introduced to me from by a friend. So I tried it, and at first I thought, okay, maybe are you sure this is actually legit? Are you sure this is actually good to talk about? But on the second thought, I decided to okay, let me just try it out. When I was trying it out, I managed to actually speak with the team members, so they kind of actually gave me some rundown. One reason why I roll this whole thing out as not a scam or it's actually legit is that they don't actually hold your money, or like people who ask you to be invest. No, but this project just or this tool, they don't hold your money. They just tells you what to do, and yes, you can do it. And I think that's actually the best part of it, and that is why I'm making a video about it. And just want to try to tell you guys how the whole scenario works. I'll just be kind of trying it out here so that you can just see. So this arbitrage scanner, as like I said before, is the best tool for blockchain analysis, convenient cryptocurrency arbitrage. So what they do is that just like arbitraging, so where you buy from another exchange low and then sell another exchange high, because sometimes the spread in some coins are not really are kind of there is always a spread between exchanges. For example, like can see Bitcoin selling at 120,500 at MEC and 120,000 on Binance. So you can just buy. They will kind of the tool will just alert you, see, go and tell you here you can buy from this exchange and then sell from this exchange. And if you're looking for the best place to actually do arbitrage, I think arbitrage scanner should be your best bet. Now how to get started. So we're going to just do a kind of quick rundown before we begin. So how to get started? I've already signed up here, but if you are new to here, what you see is sign up. So you have to sign up with your email and password. Just that there's no KYC or anything. I don't think there's any KYC. So once you finish signing up, then another thing. The next thing now is to actually buy a subscription. Now that subscription is what will give you all those analysis, because they're just like you buying a signal, buying a signal from a group. But this particular one, they use a good tool to actually analyze the whole thing and just give you those signals. So once you go to subscription here, after signing up, so buy. So I already bought one, so I just bought this particular one for 1 month. So if you want to prolong, they're telling me if you want to prolong it, no. But for now, I'm not prolonging until my subscription finishes. Then if the benefit is that much, that is when I can now continue to renew it. So I'll advise you, if you want to try this thing out, maybe you can just try from 1 month and then see how it works. And then if it works very well for you, then you just start using it. So what can you do on so after buying the what's it called, the plan? So what can you do? So arbitrage have many features, very wonderful features. So here we have arbitrage perpetual. I tried this arbitrage perpetual. I don't really know how very well it works. Okay, now I'm not gonna try to. I'm trying to. Although I watched many videos about how it works, but I don't really get exactly how it works. The one that actually works fine for me, although I've seen, based on the video I've watched, I've seen the guy actually making money from this particular event, from this particular thing now. Although there is a video here, if you go to, I think they have a class here, guidelines and cases here. They made a video where you can, if you want to understand the whole thing very well. So the whole thing is actually based on spread, the profit rates, the profit funding rates. So that's how how you make profit from this one. So that's it for the arbitrage perpetual. Then the most interesting part here, or the one I love most here, is this the arbitrage screener. So this particular play, that is the sports aspect of this thing. Like you can actually make a very real money just from just doing this thing. Like real cash, like be good or kind of make at least 10 to 20% of your capital every day from just using this tool. I'm not going to lie to you. This is one of the best tool. Uh you should definitely try out. So here we see, here we can see, so on the sports screener here, so they support a lot of exchanges. So we have, I think they support almost 50 exchanges. MEC, Bybit, BitGet, named Bitru, Upbeats, BitGuess, all of them are here. So what do they actually do? What are they trying to tell you here? So that they will give you a list of coins on those exchanges, and where you can actually try, where you can buy them low and sell them high. Now let's try, for example. So we have a eight. Oh, let me just leave this one. We have a CLV. So CLV on, they are telling us that we should buy CLV. So CLV is selling at 0.018. So I'm going, let me join over here, 0.018, 0.018338. Why at OKS is selling at 0.2248. That is a very high margin. And they're telling you that you can actually, buy this thing. That is, you can buy from gates.io and sell at OKS. And the network for withdrawal is BNB. So, and that is, so you can just, with how much you're going to pay for gas fee, just $0.5. So that's just $0.5. So if you can actually buy a high amount of this thing, so let's just kind of verify the whole thing. So let me go to gate.io. Let me just go to right. So we can actually see this whole thing here. So as you can see, get.io CLOV here. So they kind of just directed you to sign up, because although you have to sign up on Gate. If you don't have an account, just click there, lead you to sign up on Gate, and then proceed. So to do this thing, I think you need to have a lot of account on all these exchanges, because if you want to make money, you have to kind of have to be ready for it. You have to be keen to it. As you can see on Gate.io, so we are on Gate.io now. So on Gate.io, we can actually see this coin trading at 0.05. So, and it is selling, so people can just buy this coin here, and let's say you buy. So the price of so look at the price. Let's say I'm buying 10,000 CLV. So 10,000 CLV will give me 175 USDT. That is, I'll use 175 USDT to buy this 10,000 CLV. So now after buying it, I'll just go to MEC. I'll just withdraw this coin with BNB, then go to OKS and sell it. Oh, I wanted to actually try this sourcing, but OKS is not actually on in Nigeria. So if you, I mean, from where I'm staying right now, so there's OKS. We're not OKS does not support my country, so I'm just trying to show you that the possibility is there, especially if you're outside Nigeria and want to try it out. Or you can even go to MEC here, because they're telling you that it is selling at 0.8 at Gate.io. On MEC, you can still buy it as 2.220. So I'll come here. Let's just click this link. It take me to MEC. So on MEC, as you can see, we have this coin trading at 0.222, and a lot of people are actually buying. As you can see, this is buy orders, and this is sell, but this is buy orders, and this is sell orders. So yeah, you can easily go to buy on gate.io. It's even going down 0.7 now, and sell at 0.022. The same particular coin, nothing changes. The same withdrawal method. Send it here, make your money, and they go. So let's say that 10,000. Let's say we withdraw 10,000. Let's say above all that, we are charged like 1,000 CLV. So we are now selling 9,000 instead of 9,000. So let's say the Gate.io actually charge us 1,000 CLV for just moving this particular this thing. What we can do is come here, sell 9,000 for 201 USDT. So that's how many gain. We just made $25 in profit for just using this thing. Very simple. So these are the opportunities that type of opportunities that you can actually see on arbitrage. Like I say, these guys they don't hold your money. You are with your own money. They just give you the signal, and you just make money from doing that. So nobody handles your money. Is very, very free. So there's nothing like, okay, these people will scam me. Are you sure they're legit? So as if you are giving them the money, hey, we can now start arguing about those ones. So as for today, these are the coin pairs that we have today So you can definitely make money doing the both transfer of a thing very quick. So the next thing we're going to be looking at. So apart from this, there are other features on arbitrary scanner that I also want to I actually used, and I feel like it's a also top notch, and you can also check it out. Yeah, they also have a desk scanner where coins on there, where coins on decks are, where you can have different spreads on different dexes. So you can also use this desk scanner and find coins to buy on this dex and sell on another dex. So let me just open the dex scan. Okay, for now we don't have any notification about any coin spread or any coin differences on any this dex. So this particular feature is still new, so that is why maybe with time goes on, they might develop the whole thing to to find a much better thing that we can also trade on. So we have also the funding rate, then we have spotted exchanges. So those ones we don't actually need it. So the next one I want to just be talking about is the wallet analysis. So this is also one thing that actually got my attention about this whole arbitrage scanner. So wallet analysis. So this particular tool also analyzes your wallet, analyze other users' wallet. So you can let's say you have a profitable trader, or you have a wallet address. You feel like, okay, this guy is a profitable trader. You can also go to arbitrage scanner and scan the wallet and see how progress the wallet has been doing over time. Or let's say you might even have a wallet, or yes, you have a wallet that might be fund inside it, maybe for another network. You can just use this particular wallet arbitrage scanner to track the whole thing to know whether maybe is there any hidden gem that you have that you don't even know about. Let's continue. So this arbitrage scanner, this is the wallet part of it, in the AI recommendation, not a financial advice. So they give you wallet address that are making profit, that are trading, that they're making profit. So like this wallet address now. So they are telling us that these guys earn 2%, $2 million, although 2% is not actually it's not that big. Yeah, it's not that big, because maybe this guy is trading with maybe a huge amount of money. 2 million is not, it's not that big. 2% is not that big. So if you have to go, let's say this particular one now. This one has made up to 150%. So we can go to analysis and then study this wallet address. Know whether can we copy the wallet address? Maybe you can go find a number, like we have trade with balls that actually you can automate your wallet with the wallet. Then whenever the coins buy, you kind of also buy. Whenever the coin sells, it's also you also sell. So the wallet kind of just analyzes that wallet, tells you what this guy is buying to maybe making profit, what this guy is selling to making profit, and so that you can also copy the wallet address and also you know make a trade whenever this guy is also making. So arbitrage can also have a what we call this notification of it, whereby you can automate it on your Telegram channel. It cannot just be giving you what's it called, signal alerts whenever this whole thing happens. Whenever this guy, but it kind of gives you alerts. Okay, so this guy, we can just be copying this wallet address. So we can go to wallet analysis. So this guy bought this coin on July 14. July, okay, that's today. So July 7 also, he bought this coin. July 2, he bought this coin. So, you too can also, if you want to buy the coin with the guy, you can also, but it's not a financial advice. Most of these people are also insiders who knows that people are actually tracking their wallet. So what they will do is that they will kind of create a coin and tell you wish that you buy it, and when you buy it, you get your rep. So make your analysis very well, figure the whole thing out before actually, buying the whole thing. Just this tool just tells you that this wallet address is making it, and based on what you have analyzed, so you can also copy the wallet address and do what it's doing. So that it does, but it doesn't actually know whether it's an insider. So here on mass analysis, you can actually check a kind of group addresses to know whether are they actually, connected to each other, to find out is this person actually is this person also the owner of this multiple wallets. So these three features are one of the kind of my top notch in this, or let's say these two features are one of my top features on this platform. And it's not actually bad for you to try it out right now, especially if you are looking for the best just to start arbitrage. This platform is a platform I'll actually, you know, recommend for you, especially this top-notch product, the AS Arbitrage Screener. It's a very top. I've already used it and it's actually authentic and good. So that is it for arbitrage. So you can just go try it out, and let me know in the comment section what was your experience. If you also have any questions about it, just let me know on my Telegram channel or just comment on this video on this video on this video comment section. Just let me know, and I'll be there to answer you. Or you can also reach out to the team, create a support. So look at it here. Go to their Telegram group or their WhatsApp group. Yeah, yes, they have a WhatsApp group. And message them. They will answer you. The team members are active 24 hours problems you have. And if you want to learn more about this, how this whole arbitrage kind of works, go to their tutorial. You have a tutorial. Every tutorial on how this whole thing works is there. So the beginners level, the sports screener, the wallet, spiritual screener, all of them are there. So you can learn more about it. So another thing I want to talk about is this AI assistant on ArbitrageScanner. It's one of the perfect AI assistants, especially if you want to use it to trade in the crypto space right now. So this AI assistant can analyze anything, answer any question that you have about the crypto market or even the forex market, about the crypto in general, or even outside the crypto. If you have any question, you can always ask. And let's say you even want to track your wallet, say you can just copy wallet address and say, hey, just track this wallet address for me. I want you to analyze wallet address to know how good is this wallet address. So, for example, let me say, so this is let me copy one address. So you can just come here, paste this wallet address, and say, can you analyze this wallet address? Okay, so as you can see, it will just analyze the whole thing, even give me a balance sheet of the address. You can see it's telling me, oh, that's not finished yet. Like it will just give you everything about this wallet, the whole stuff that wallet has done, the address that he interacted with, mostly the conclusion on based on the general demonstration of this wallet address. So it gives you a complete rundown about the wallet address, everything you need to know. So if you have question, you can ask him what is the most traded coin today. Okay, the most traded coin today is Theta USDT, So if you want, okay, let's say what is the most traded meme coin today. So this AI assistant can be your best friend, It can help you analyze charts, get what is happening in the crypto space, even outside the crypto space. So I seriously recommend it if you want to dive into ArbitrageScanner. Just make sure to try it out. It's one of the unique features this platform have or this tool has. So the next one is their crypto API. This API, if you want to, if you have a project or kind of have a say platform, and you want to also integrate the data from arbitral scanner to your platform so to make it more unique, to make it more good for people, then you can also use it. So you can just kind of choose a plan by the API. So we have different choices here. You can choose API, buy it, then integrate the API into your own platform, and then you can also monitor the features of all the features happening on Arbitrage Scanner on your own project. You just integrate Arbitrage Scanner on your own project, which is actually amazing. But this one is actually if you're a builder, if you're creating something, or if you're building something, then this particular aspect is for you. And I also recommend it, because this arbitrage is something that people have been looking for. People will get excited seeing this in your platform, seeing where they can actually do a real arbitrage in your platform. So guys, that is it for the Trust Scanner. Test it and let me know what you think.
Okay, guys, and that is it for ArbitrageScanner. Let me know what you think about the whole video. Now, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave the notification bell on to be notified whenever I make another video like this. See you in the next video.